Ever wonder why most people who start a side hustle end up with a pile of extra cash that just disappears into their checking account? I've been there. You work the extra hours, you get the payout, but because it's mixed in with your rent and grocery money, you never actually see the wealth building. That's why I shifted my entire side hustle strategy to Acorns. I didn't want a savings account, I wanted a system that turned my extra labor into a legitimate income stream. The first thing I did was move my side hustle payments, whether it was from freelance clients or selling on digital marketplaces, directly into Acorns checking. This is the foundation. By using the Smart Deposit feature, I set it to automatically slice a percentage of every deposit and move it into my Invest account before I could even think about spending it. But the real income strategy is in the portfolio selection. Most people think Acorns is just for set-it-and-forget-it retirement. I treated it like a dividend engine. I moved my portfolio to the moderate or moderately aggressive setting because I wanted a higher concentration of the large company ETF, which is essentially the S&P 500. This is where the dividends live. Since Acorns automatically reinvests those dividends, my side hustle money started buying more shares of the portfolio on its own. It's a compounding loop. My side hustle buys the shares, and the shares eventually pay me back. If you have an Acorns Gold subscription, the real pro move I found was using the custom portfolio feature. I allocated a portion of my side hustle funds specifically into individual stocks or ETFs that I knew had high dividend yields. Instead of just broad growth, I was specifically targeting assets that pay out cash. I also maximized the Acorns Earn feature. If I needed to buy supplies for my side hustle, like gear from Apple or Office Tech from Best Buy, I'd go through the Acorns portal. They'd kick back a percentage of that purchase directly into my investment account. It's basically a double dip. I'm spending money I had to spend anyway, but Acorns is turning that expense into more capital. The goal isn't just to save your side hustle money, it's to put it in a container where it can't stay still. By using the automated smart deposits and a dividend-focused portfolio, my side hustle stopped being a second job and started feeling like a growing business. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.